How to develop a successful startup. But first, let's explain what a startup is. As Eric Ries states, that a startup is a human institution designed to deliver a new product or service in conditions of extreme uncertainty and has nothing to do with the scale of the business, the economy, or the industry. Eric Price, a great entrepreneur, came up with the idea of the lean startup approach, which we will discuss more in detail. There are 5 principles of lean startups. Number 1, entrepreneurs are everywhere. This approach works with any size company, even a very large enterprise in any sector and industry. Secondly, entrepreneurship is management. Management is needed in the sense of extreme uncertainty. General management depends critically on planning and predicting, but how do we know those predictions are accurate as the world is starting to look less stable? In the contrary, it becomes less relevant. Eric Ries developed the term entrepreneurial management, which is specific to the kind of situation we find ourselves in every day. The principle of pivot is the most powerful method in such a management context. Instead of persevering the same idea, let's pivot and change directions. Startups learn how to establish a company through validating learning and running repeated experiments to validate their idea. Otherwise, we will be doing something called achieving failure. We feel accomplished by achieving other things that are not as essential as the customers. Customers are the most essential factor of the production process. The measure-learn feedback loop is a tool to determine if customers are interested in the product or if to pivot. This must be done at a faster rate in order to fail sooner, pivot faster, and increase the chances of succeeding. Innovating accounting is used to enhance business results and keep innovators accountable. We use a forward-looking analysis. To do this, we must first set a baseline by building an MVP. Then we test to see how we can enhance the indicators from the baseline and look more like the concept of our business plans. At the end, we can either pivot or persevere.